Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidgy channel. In today's video, we will explain how to fix an Android phone stuck on the Verify Your Account screen. Factory resetting is the fastest way to return an Android device to its original state, making it a crucial feature. Some Android users on forums have reported getting stuck on the Verify Your Account screen. After a factory reset, the phone requires verification of the previously logged in Google account. Every time you try to log in, a message appears saying, "Please sign in using one of the owner's accounts for this device." Even with the correct account and password, you remain stuck on this verification screen. If you are facing this issue, don't worry, this video will show you how to bypass the Verify Your Account screen on your Android phone. This video applies to phone models from Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Why is Google taking so long to verify my account? 1. Recent password change. If you changed your Google password before resetting the phone, Google enforces a 72-hour security lockout. 2. Incorrect account credentials. You must use the first Google account that was set up on the phone. 3. Network issues. An unstable internet connection can also cause verification to fail. These are the common reasons why an Android phone gets stuck in the Verify Your Account loop. To assist users facing this problem, we have compiled several solutions that should help you resolve the issue. These methods are straightforward, so please try them patiently. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment telling us which method worked for you. Method 1. Recover your Google account. If you are stuck on the Verify It's You screen because you forgot your Google account password or email address, you can recover them using the security questions set up for your account. After verification, you may need to wait 48 or 72 hours before the account can be used to bypass the Verify It's You check. This also applies if you changed your Google account password before resetting the phone. Additionally, ensure that the Google account you are using to log in is the same one that was originally set up on the phone. Method 2. Check your network connection. Being repeatedly prompted to verify your account can also be caused by network issues. If your internet connection is unstable or unavailable, your Android phone may fail to complete the account verification process, causing it to get stuck at the Verify Your Phone stage during account setup. To resolve this, please check your internet connection. If you are unsure whether your Wi-Fi is working properly, try inserting a SIM card and using mobile data instead. Method 3. Ask the original owner for the password. If you purchased a second-hand phone and encountered the Verify Your Account issue, you likely do not have the original owner's Google account details or password, making it impossible to bypass the verification screen yourself. To resolve this, please contact the original owner to obtain the original account credentials. Method 4. Seek professional help. If the methods above do not work and you cannot contact the original owner, your best option is to seek professional assistance. Have a technician examine the device to see if they can resolve the Google account verification issue. That concludes today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it, and let us know in the comments section which method worked for you. We also welcome any feedback or suggestions for improvement in the comments. Thank you, and good luck.